Ready to make your house a cleaner and healthier space? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 of the top plants that you need in order to purify the air and make you feel more relaxed and at peace. Hey everyone, welcome back to Vaidic Wellness. If you're looking for an easy way to improve your atmosphere at home, then I have the answer for you. Having living things in your home can change the energy of any room. With just a few plants, you'll see a difference in how your home feels almost immediately. Let me show you which ones are best for creating a peaceful atmosphere. Number 1. Snake plant. If you're looking for a way to spruce up your home while also promoting a healthy life, look no further than the snake plant. This leafy wonder not only looks fantastic in any living space, but it's also one of the easiest plants to care for, making it perfect for even the most ungreen-thumbed among us. What's more, this hardy plant is a true miracle worker when it comes to purifying the air in your home. It releases oxygen during the night, and during the day it absorbs pollutants, creating a cleaner, healthier environment for you to breathe in. And with all that extra oxygen, you might even find yourself sleeping better at night. So if you're after a plant that looks beautiful and has practical benefits too, the snake plant is definitely the way to go. Number 2. Aloe Vera. As plant-based remedies become more popular in the pursuit of a healthy life, one remarkable plant that cannot be overlooked is aloe vera. Its gel has gained quite a reputation for its numerous benefits, especially for skin care. From sunburn to inflammation, aloe vera's soothing properties have been celebrated for centuries. But did you know that aloe vera is also rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties? This means that it can boost your immunity and prevent infections. And the best part? It's all natural. With the aloe vera plant, you get a powerful natural healer that can help you take care of yourself both inside and out. Number 3. Spider plant. In modern society, maintaining a healthy life has become a top priority for many individuals, and one simple way to do so is by adding a spider plant to your workspace. These plants are often found in offices, and for good reason. They are easy to care for and have the added benefit of being great at removing pollutants like formaldehyde from the air. With their bright green leaves and sleek appearance, spider plants can add a touch of natural beauty to any space. Plus, their air-purifying capabilities can help employees breathe easy and feel more energized throughout the day. So why not consider adding a spider plant to your office and promote a healthy environment for both you and your coworkers? Number 4. Peace lily. In a world where pollutants are lurking around every corner, there's never been a better time to start incorporating plants into your daily life. Not only do they add a touch of life to any space, but they also provide numerous health benefits that we often overlook. One of the most notable plants is the peace lily. This stunning flower not only adds beauty to your home, but it also doubles as an air purifying machine by clearing up extra mold spores that may be lingering in the air. With a little bit of plant love, you can improve the quality of your air and live a healthier, happier life. Number 5. Ferns. In today's fast-paced world, it can be difficult to maintain a healthy life. Between work, school, and everything in between, it's easy to forget about the little things that can make a big difference. One of those things is plants, specifically ferns. Not only are they visually pleasing, but they also have great health benefits. Ferns are known to purify the air around them of excess humidity, which can be especially helpful during the summer months. They can also help clean up the particles left behind by household sprays like aerosols and cleaning solutions. So, if you're looking for an easy way to improve your living space and your health, consider adding a fern or two to your home. Incorporating plants into your home not only adds beauty but also offers numerous health benefits. Aloe vera, spider plant, ferns, snake plant, and peace lily are just some of the many plants that can improve your air quality and overall well-being. If you want to discover more tips for creating a healthier lifestyle, be sure to subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any new content. Let's continue our journey towards a healthier life together.